India has a rich history of incredible food packed with unforgettable flavors. Here in Seattle, there's a restaurant taking those special culinary techniques and combining them with fresh Washington ingredients to create modern and innovative dishes for guests to enjoy. Mint Progressive Indian is looking to spice up dinner time with amazing tastes, eye-catching plates, and a fine dining experience that will leave you begging for more.
Just got to try it to really understand it.
No mistake, it's not style over substance. It's all here.
Mint's owner Goldie Singh wants his guests to understand that although his menu is inspired by traditional Indian dishes, they should expect something a little different.
Progressive Indian is more approachable and appealing to a wider audience, including those who may not be familiar with traditional Indian flavors. And we try to showcase that in a more modern and inclusive ways to bring new people to this sort of cuisine.
They take traditional dishes and they kind of add their own twist to it.
It has all the flavors you would have in India just combined together.
I just would never have thought of this, but it is sensational.
Food is art, so we try to showcase in the best way we can.
My drink is art.
Yes.
So is yours.
Yeah, so is mine. Our bar team works very closely with the kitchen team. We have a lot of combination of incorporating Indian ingredients like spices into our craft cocktails. So all of those cocktails pair really well with everything that's on our menu.
Awesome. Well, I think we should have a little toast with our fancy drinks. Cheers. Thank you so much.
You don't want to miss later in the show when Mint's chef Sarkar and I make mappas with beef short rib and colorful Washington purple potatoes.
Progressive Indian is motive is basically using the local ingredients.
And you're in a great place for it.
Yeah.
We're back at Mint Progressive Indian. With plates as colorful and creative as they are tasty, Mint is handcrafting dishes for hungry guests that are sure to please. According to owner Goldie Singh, those incredible flavors can't happen without great local ingredients.
We use a lot of local ingredients like purple potatoes, apples, berries. It's a very big aspect of our food here where we try to incorporate all those local ingredients into our menu.
It's definitely very flavorful. Like you can actually taste it in every single bite.
Feels very much Indian, but still not really like what you would eat in India.
I think they change their menu pretty often, so I'd love to come back and try some new dishes.
The mastermind behind these amazing dishes is the brilliant chef Sarkar. He has a long history in progressive Indian cuisine, making him the perfect fit for a restaurant like this.
He has worked in New Delhi where this whole movement of progressive Indian started. So he has been there since the beginning, now coming to Mint and showcasing his art in terms of food. Yeah, we're excited to have him and he's great.
Today, Chef Sarkar and I will be making mappas with beef, short rib, and purple potatoes.
I bet it's just going to be a work of art.
It's amazing. The beef short rib is so tender, you'll love it.
I can't wait.
Mappa is basically kind of south part of India. It's like sauce. Its name is the mappas.
Okay.
Basically, that's the stew.
A stew.
Yeah.
A stew.
But we make it that flavor into the sauce.
Lovely.
We are using local ingredients.
Okay.
So purple potato and carrot, then micro turnip.
This is so cute.
Micro turnip.
I love that. You just picked these up down at the market?
Yeah.
From where we're at?
From the Pike Place Market in Seattle.
How great is that?
Yeah.
This is the sauce.
Yeah, this is the sauce, basically made from the coconut milk and onion.
And that's about it.
And Indian spice, of course. We have to make tender short rib. It's not like steak or something. So you have to cook for at least 3 hours.
I love the color.
Just for the color a little bit on top.
Yeah. And then that goes in the oven.
That goes in the oven like 15 minutes so that it gets warm and little bit of color.
Awesome. Okay, step one. I like that. I bet you enjoy using lots of fresh
Yes,
ingredients.
definitely. Progressive Indian is motive is basically using the local ingredients.
It's Indian, but you incorporate what
Local
is around you.
ingredients, yes.
Okay, I love that. And you're in a great place for it.
Yeah.
We sear some pre-blanched potatoes and carrots with butter, salt, and pepper. Then we add the micro turnips and start plating.
Love it when you bring out the tweezers.
In India, we do more of the starch and less of the protein. But over here, we are doing in USA, so that's why we give protein and starch balance. It has to
We
be
like
balanced.
our meat.
And blueberry chutneys.
Blueberry chutney, okay. And it matches the color of the potatoes.
Yeah, this is also like locally in Seattle,
Yes.
in Washington, especially the berries is like very
Love
famous.
the blueberries.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
gorgeous.
thank you.
Yes, that is
Thank you.
so beautiful. This looks so beautiful. I don't know where to start, really. Start
You
here?
can start from here.
Okay. That sauce is just really creamy. The potatoes are a little sweet too. Like
Yeah,
they
lit-
add a sweetness.
Little bit have sweet, and coconut milk also give little bit of sweetness to the dish. The blueberry chutney give little hint of the sourness.
Yeah.
We have chili powder a little bit, so that gives little bit of the kick to this. And I put the carrot for the balance.
Oh, that's delicious. Delicious
Thank
and
you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank
That
you
was a
for-
lot of fun.
Thank you. Me too.
To get the recipe for mince mapas with beef short rib and purple potatoes, visit wagrown.com. Coming up, Tomas and I are judging a Vietnamese culinary student class.
Don't take it all. Oh, I thought you were.
I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good.